I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Coding by Fun and चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So today's question is to add two fractions that let's see the example or let's see the query first. We have four variables, number 1, denominator 1, number 2 and denominator 2. We just have to find number 1 divided by denominator 1 plus number 2 divided by denominator 2. So just we have to add the two fractions. So these four variables we have to take as an input from user. So let's see here 1, 500, 2 and 500 again. So what we have to do is to find 1 divided by 500 plus 2 divided by 500 is equals to 3 divided by 500. So this is the output that we have to print. So let's understand the question concept first, right? So as we know, if the numerator, let's say whatever the example shown here, I am taking 1 divided by 500 plus 2 divided by 500. So as we know, if the denominator is same, then we just write like this: 1 plus 2, that is 3 divided by 500. So what we did here, actually we took the LCM of these two numbers. So LCM of 500 and 500 will be 500, right? So that's why the 500 came in the denominator, and then what we did, we used to divide this number by this number, and whatever the value comes, we'll multiply that by 1. So let's see another example. Let's say it's 2 divided by 8 plus it's 3 divided by 16. So as you know, the LCM of 8 and 16 will be 16, right? So we are just writing 16. Now what? We divide 16 by 8. So what? Divide by 8. So it will be 2. So we are multiplying 2 with this 2. So it's 4 plus. Now divide 16 by 16. It's 1. So 3 cross 1. So it will be 3. So total will be 7 by 16. Right. This will be the output. Let's see another example. So we have, let's say, 4 divided by 6 plus, and once more again say 3 divided by 9. So first of all, I am finding the LCM of this. So let's find the LCM, right? So I am firstly divided by 3. So it's 2, it's 3, then again I am divided by 2, it's 1, it's 3, again divide by 3, so it's 1 comma 1. So multiply this 3 multiply by 2, 6, 6 multiply by 3, 18. So 18 is the LCM of 6 and 9. So divide 18 by 6. So what will be the answer? 18 by 6. So it will be 3. So multiply 3 with 4. Multiply it, right? So 4 3s are 12. So 12 plus, divide 18 with 9. So it will be 2, and multiply 2 with 3. So 2 cross 3, 6, right? So it's overall 18 by 18, and it is 1 by 1 is the answer, right? So let's see the code part now. Okay, so they already made a function and we just have to apply the logic, right? So as we know how to find the LCM, so I'm just taking a variable LCM, and what we have to find the LCM of the denominators, right? So for finding the LCM of the denominator, just multiply, as I have already made a video of LCM in my, you can see in my playlist, where I have shown how to find the GCD and how to find the LCM, right? So we are applying the same logic here. Denominator 1 cross denominator 2 divided by GCD of, this is the inbuilt function for GCD of denominator 1 comma denominator 2. So this is the formula for calculating the LCM, right? So we have calculated the LCM. Now what we have to do, as we have already seen, we have find the LCM. Now first we will divide the LCM with the denominator 1, right? So let's take variable v. Okay, now I am dividing LCM with the denominator 1, and whatever will be the answer, I will just multiply these with the number 1, right? Multiply this with number 1, and I will add it to the same, whatever this LCM, I will divide it by the denominator 2, and I will just multiply it to number 2. So whatever the result will come here, I will just see out v and the symbol of division, and again what the LCM part, and that's all. End of the line. I think we have completed. So let's compile it first. So I'm compiling. So this is how you can solve the maths problem also. So your output is this for these inputs. So I'm not sure we are wrong or right. So let's submit it to check the errors, or there may be no errors, right? So let's see. So your code doesn't work for this correctly. Its correct output is this and your output is this. So let's check the error first. So I'm looking at the error and I'm getting the idea that we got the answer, but we are not dividing these both terms. What I want to say, I just explain it. Like what we are getting is like this. It's 8 divided by 16. This is what we are getting, but we have to show the output as 1 by 2. That is 8 ones are 8, add 2 is 16. We have to show this, but we are showing this term. So this is this term. We have to divide 8 by the GCD of these two numbers. That is the greatest common divisor. Let's say I have a 16 here and 12. So what will be the answer? 4 4 are 16 and 4 3 are 12. This will be the answer, but we are showing this. So we have to divide it by the greatest common divisor. So find the GCD of 16 and 12. So multiple of 16 are 1, 2, 4, again 2 and 4. And what are the multiples of 12? 1, 2, again 2 and 3. So the common factor is this, the greatest common divisor, that is 2 cross 2, that is 4. So we have to divide 16 by 4, that is 4, and also 12 by 4, that is 3. So what we have to do, we have to find the GCD of these two terms. So let's implement it into the code part. So let's see the code now. So whatever the LCM we got and whatever the V we got, we have to find the GCD. Let's say GCD is equals to GCD of both the terms, that is V comma the LCM, right? Now what I will do, I will divide the LCM by the GCD, that is LCM is equals to LCM divided by GCD, and similarly I will divide V is equals to V divided by GCD, right? And now we have printed the output. So let's compile it first. Let's see the answer now. We have, so we are getting the output. Let's submit it. So I think you get the point where we was doing the mistake, right? We was not dividing it fully. We are just making a fraction of the variables or the numbers that we are taking as an input, right? So this is how we have to solve this question. See you in next video. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon so that नोटिफिकेशन आपको आ जाए अगली वीडियो का, और ऐसे ही देखते रहिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो।